Welcome to Consumer Pick. The Best Big G Slicker Brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools a dog owner can have, especially for those with furry companions prone to shedding or matting, as it's designed to effectively remove loose hair, untangle knots, and leave your pet's coat looking smooth and healthy, ultimately making grooming sessions more enjoyable for both you and your dog. Number 5. Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Introducing the Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush, designed for ultimate grooming convenience. Keep your pet looking and feeling their best with ease. Tired of struggling to clean your pet brush? Ours features a one-click self-cleaning mechanism. Simply push the button to effortlessly remove trapped hair. Its fine stainless steel bristles with massage particles gently remove loose fur and dander. It effectively cleans without causing any discomfort, leaving their coat soft and shiny. This versatile brush is perfect for dogs, cats, and small animals of all coat types. From short to long, dense to fine, it handles it all with care. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended grooming sessions. Its lightweight design makes grooming a breeze for both you and your pet. Crafted from high-quality, durable TPR material, this brush is built for long-lasting performance. Enjoy years of stress-free grooming for your beloved pets. What we like? Tired of pulling hair from your brush? This one features a simple push button to clear away fur instantly. If you're looking for a hassle-free grooming experience and want to spend less time cleaning your tools and more time bonding with your pet, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for owners of pets with any coat type, making it a versatile option for multi-pet households. What people say? The stainless steel teeth have gentle protective caps, making them safe and even soothing, like a mini massage for your pet. It removes a good amount of loose fur and is especially helpful for my Pomeranian Chihuahua mix, who has a thick double coat. The one-click self-cleaning feature is a great bonus. It makes cleanup quick and easy. Number 4. Maxpower Planet Double-Sided Shedding Brush. Are you constantly battling shedding fur around your home? It's a common struggle for pet owners, but there's a solution that can make a big difference. Meet the grooming tool designed to tackle shedding head-on. This innovative brush is perfect for both dogs and cats, making grooming sessions more effective. Its unique double-sided design offers versatility for different grooming needs. One side tackles mats and tangles, while the other gently removes loose undercoat. Experience a dramatic reduction in loose fur. This tool is engineered to capture up to 95% of shedding hair before it ends up on your furniture or clothes. The extra-wide brush head covers more area with each stroke. This means you can groom your pet more quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time. Designed with your pet's comfort in mind, it effectively removes undercoat and detangles fur without pulling or causing discomfort. Enjoy a smoother, happier pet. What we like? Want to dramatically cut down on shedding around your home? This brush is designed to tackle undercoat and loose fur, promising up to a 95% reduction in shedding. If you're dealing with a heavy shedding breed or simply want to maintain a cleaner living environment, this tool is a game changer. Its extra-wide design also means you can groom your pet more efficiently. What people say? The brush is very effective at removing loose undercoat and leaves the dog's fur looking smooth and shiny. It has a comfortable non-slip grip handle that makes it easy to use for extended grooming sessions. The self-cleaning button is a fantastic feature, allowing for quick and easy removal of trapped hair. Number 3. Freshly Bailey Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Tired of struggling with pet hair? Introducing the Freshly Bailey Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush, designed for ultimate grooming convenience. This brush is perfect for your medium to long-haired furry friends. It effectively tackles tangles and loose fur, leaving their coat smooth and healthy. Experience a comfortable grooming session for both you and your pet. The ergonomic design ensures a pleasant grooming experience while being highly effective. Cleaning up after grooming is a breeze. With its self-cleaning feature, you can remove trapped hair with just a simple click, saving you time and effort. Not only is it functional, but it also looks great. The sleek white and blue design adds a touch of style to your pet care routine. Whether you have a dog or a cat, this versatile brush is suitable for both. Keep all your pets looking their best with this essential grooming tool. What we like? Looking for a grooming tool that's as easy to clean as it is to use? This slicker brush boasts a self-cleaning mechanism, making fur removal a breeze. If you value convenience and a comfortable grooming session for both you and your pet, this is an excellent option. It's particularly well suited for pets with medium to long hair, ensuring a smooth and pleasant grooming experience. What people say. This brush is amazing for my long-haired German Shepherd. It gets deep into her coat and removes loose hair effectively without pulling or causing discomfort. The design of the brush is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making grooming sessions easier. The bristles are sturdy yet gentle on the skin. I love how easy it is to clean this brush. With a simple press of a button, the hair is released, saving a lot of time and effort. Number 2. 2 PCS Slicker Brush and Pet Comb for Dogs, Blue, Large. Introducing our professional dog grooming kit, featuring a slicker brush and comb. Effectively tackle tangles, knots, and mats, reducing grooming and drying time for a shiny, healthy coat. This slicker brush is expertly designed for pets with medium length, curly, and thick coats. Its extra long angled pins penetrate deeply to remove dead hair and loose undercoat, making it ideal for breeds like Golden Doodles and Poodles. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during grooming, minimizing fatigue. Rounded pin ends on the comb are gentle on the skin, promoting blood circulation and providing a soothing massage. With extra long pins and an optimal tilt angle, it effortlessly reaches through dense coats to simplify detangling. This innovative design effectively accesses the undercoat, perfect for various doodle breeds. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this comb is durable, corrosion-resistant, and designed to avoid static electricity. Its gentle rounded ends ensure a safe grooming experience. We are committed to providing safe and practical pet care solutions. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year quality guarantee and dedicated 7/24 customer support for any manufacturing defects. What we like. Do you own a Golden Doodle, Poodle, or Labradoodle? This brush is specifically designed with extra long pins to penetrate those thick, curly coats effectively. If you're struggling with tangles, knots, and mats in breeds known for their challenging fur, this professional-grade tool will make a significant difference. It's the ideal solution for deep combing and achieving a healthy, shiny coat on these popular breeds. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose undercoat and leaves the dog's fur looking smooth and shiny. It has a comfortable non-slip grip handle that makes brushing easy, even for long-haired breeds. The bristles are fine enough to get through tangles without pulling on the dog's skin. Number 1. Ever Gentle Dog Grooming Brush. Introducing the Ever Gentle Grooming Brush, designed for your furry friend's comfort. Its stainless steel bristles gently remove tangles and loose fur. The ergonomic rubber handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for you. This ensures a pleasant grooming experience for both of you. Say goodbye to stubborn knots and mats. This brush effortlessly glides through your pet's coat, leaving it smooth and tangle-free. Keep your grooming tools organized with the convenient built-in hook. It allows for easy storage when not in use. Regular grooming with this tool not only removes shedding fur but also stimulates natural oils, promoting a healthier, shinier coat. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this brush is built to last. It's a durable solution for all your pet's grooming needs. What we like. Prioritizing comfort and gentle grooming. This slicker brush features a soft rubber handle for an ergonomic and secure grip, paired with stainless steel pins designed to be gentle on your pet's skin. If you're looking for a brush that minimizes hand fatigue and provides a comfortable experience for your pet, this is a fantastic choice. The included hook also offers convenient storage. What people say. It is a great brush for shedding season and removes a lot of loose hair. The brush is easy to clean with a button that retracts the bristles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.